Crab farming is emerging as a promising agribusiness opportunity, especially for entrepreneurs seeking to start with a modest investment of around $1,000. With growing demand for crabs in local and international markets, this venture offers significant profit potential. In this video, we will explore the essential steps and practical strategies needed to launch a successful crab farming business. From selecting the right species to managing your resources efficiently, each aspect will be covered to help you make informed decisions. Whether you're new to aquaculture or looking to diversify your income, this guide aims to provide clear and actionable insights. Crab farming involves the cultivation of crabs in controlled environments, often using ponds or specially designed enclosures. Among the most popular species for farming are mud crabs and blue swimming crabs, both of which are highly sought after in local and international markets. The demand for crab meat continues to rise due to its culinary versatility and nutritional value. As a result, more farmers are turning to crab farming as a profitable venture. The integration of smart agriculture technologies, such as automated water quality monitoring and efficient feeding systems, has further boosted the appeal and success of crab farming in recent years. Starting a crab farm requires careful planning, especially when working within a $1,000 budget. First, selecting a suitable location is crucial. Look for areas with access to clean, brackish water and stable environmental conditions. For pond construction, consider using locally available materials to build simple earthen or lined ponds that retain water effectively. Essential equipment includes water testing kits, basic aeration devices, and nets for handling crabs. By prioritizing these fundamental needs, you can lay a solid foundation for your crab farming venture without exceeding your budget. Sourcing healthy crab stock begins with identifying reputable suppliers who prioritize the well-being and genetic quality of their crabs. Careful selection of these suppliers is crucial, as the health and vitality of the seed directly influence the overall success of the farming operation. High-quality seed not only ensures better survival rates, but also promotes faster growth and disease resistance. By investing in superior stock, farmers can maximize their yield and ultimately increase their profitability. Understanding these factors is essential for building a sustainable and productive crab farming business. An ideal pond setup for crab farming begins with a well-designed layout that ensures proper water circulation and easy access for maintenance. Maintaining optimal water quality is crucial, with regular monitoring of parameters such as temperature, salinity, pH, and dissolved oxygen levels. Clean, well-oxygenated water supports healthy crab growth and reduces the risk of disease. Environmental factors like shade, shelter, and appropriate substrate also play a significant role, providing crabs with a natural habitat that encourages natural behaviors. By carefully managing these elements, farmers can create conditions that promote robust crab development and high survival rates. Feeding strategies play a crucial role in promoting rapid and healthy growth in livestock while managing costs. Selecting the right type of feed, such as balanced commercial pellets, locally available grains, or nutrient-rich forages, can make a significant difference in animal development. Cost-effective nutrition plans often involve combining high-quality feeds with affordable supplements to meet dietary needs without overspending. Regularly monitoring feed intake and adjusting rations based on growth rates helps optimize both health and expenses. By carefully planning and adapting feeding practices, producers can achieve strong growth outcomes while maintaining budget efficiency. Maintaining a consistent daily care routine is essential for healthy crab populations. This includes checking water quality, ensuring proper feeding, and cleaning enclosures to prevent waste buildup. Regularly observing the crabs for signs of stress or illness allows for early detection of potential health issues. Implementing disease prevention measures, such as quarantining new arrivals and maintaining optimal environmental conditions, helps reduce the risk of outbreaks. By following these practices, risks and losses can be significantly minimized. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. We value your participation and would love to hear from you. If you have any questions or thoughts about crab farming, feel free to share them in the comments. Your experiences and insights can help others in the community learn and grow. Join the conversation and let us know how your own crab farming journey is going. When starting with a $1,000 investment, it's important to carefully allocate funds to cover all operational costs while aiming for the highest possible returns. Typical expenses might include inventory, marketing, platform fees, and basic equipment. By minimizing unnecessary spending and focusing on high-impact areas, you can stretch your budget further. For example, allocating $600 to inventory, $200 to marketing, $100 to platform fees, and $100 to miscellaneous costs creates a balanced approach. With strategic planning and efficient operations, this budget can help maximize profits and set a strong foundation for future growth. Crab farming presents several common challenges, such as disease outbreaks, water quality management, and predation. Farmers often struggle with maintaining optimal conditions for crab growth, which can impact survival rates and profitability. To address these issues, regular monitoring of water parameters and implementing biosecurity measures are essential. Introducing predator barriers and practicing crop rotation can further reduce risks. By adopting these practical solutions, crab farmers can enhance productivity and support the long-term sustainability of their businesses. Successful crab sellers often rely on a mix of marketing strategies to reach their target audience. Utilizing both online and offline sales channels can help maximize exposure, from local seafood markets and restaurants to e-commerce platforms and social media. Building a strong customer base involves consistently delivering quality products, offering excellent customer service, and engaging with buyers through promotions or loyalty programs. Competitive pricing is also essential, so it's important to monitor market trends and adjust rates accordingly. By combining these approaches, sellers can effectively grow their business and maintain a loyal clientele. Across coastal communities, small-scale crab farmers have demonstrated remarkable resilience and ingenuity. Many began their ventures with modest investments, relying on local resources and traditional knowledge. Through careful management and gradual scaling, these farmers have turned limited capital into sustainable, profitable businesses. Their stories showcase not only financial success, but also the positive impact on their families and local economies. These case studies serve as inspiration for others considering entry into crab farming, proving that determination and smart practices can yield impressive results. In summary, we've explored the essential steps and considerations for successful crab farming. With the right knowledge and preparation, anyone can embark on this rewarding venture and contribute to sustainable aquaculture. If you're inspired to begin your own crab farming journey, remember that continuous learning and adaptation are key. For more insights and practical tips on smart agriculture, be sure to stay connected with us.